Okay, so when you see me return here means I'm always on a mission and sharing the knowledge. Let's get started. So let's say here integrate x square root of 1 minus x power 4 dx. So what I'm going to do first of all, I'm going to split that. So let's say integral. So I have my x and then 1 minus x power 4 is like x square dx. And then, so I know I'm going to add in 2. This is going to be substitution of sign, okay? Whenever you have, look, whenever you have a square root, 1 or a can be any number, minus x square of function square, then we know this substitution of the sign. So now we go, before I do that, I have to make it as a one letter. So I'm going to let u equal to x squared, this one here. And then when you differentiate, this is going to give me du. When you differentiate here, it's going to give me 2x dx. You see that? So we have an x and dx. So I don't need these two. So divide by 2, divide by 2. So these 2 is going to come here. You see? So then I'm going to say I can eliminate. So this integral is going to become integral x dx equal to du over 2. So 1 over 2 is going to go to the back. And then I'll be left with the only du here. Du. Okay, let me just make a space here. Du. So that's what du. And then I'm going to have my square root 1 minus u squared. So you see, this is a substitution integral of sign. Because you have an a square, it's like a 1 square minus whichever square. So 1 square is like a 1 square. So I'm going to let a substitution, I'll let u equal to 1 sine of angle. So 1 is like a 1 sine of angle. So I don't need 1, it's just sine of angle. Differentiate here, du equal, this is going to be cos of theta. When you differentiate sine, you get cos of theta, but what d theta. So let's replace everything. So then, this is going to become equal to a half integral, okay? I have my integral, 1, so I'll come back here, right? 1 over 2 square root 1 minus u square. What is that u? U equal to sine theta. So it's going to become 1 minus sine theta square. Okay, what is a du? Our du is equal to cos theta. Cos theta d theta. So 1 minus sine square theta square root equal to cos theta. So all this stuff here is going to be equal to cos theta. All this stuff here with the root equal to cos theta. So I can just replace, say, equal to 1 over 2 integral of cos theta. Times cos theta means cos theta square d theta. So this equal to 1 over 2 from the trig identity, cos square, equal to cos 2 theta. Okay, look, from the trig identity we know cos double angle equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So if I want to get cos theta, which you have to come and replace there, what is cos theta? Cos theta equal to cos double angle plus 1 over 2 equal to cos square theta. So I can replace this cos square theta with that. So I still have my half, and then this half here is going to come here. So I replace this with this. But these two is going to go behind. So it's going to make this fall. And right here I'm going to be left with cos double angle. Cos double angle plus 1. Plus 1 bracket d theta. And the question is almost finished, right? So I'm going to say I can separate. So we can make a space here. And then I can say this MSA integral 1 over 4 is just 1 over 4. 1 over 4. 1 over 4. And then I'll say integral, let's do this. Integral of cos 2 theta. Integral of cos 2 theta d theta. And then plus integral of 1 d theta is like a d theta. Because integral of 1 is just 1 times d theta. So now we finished the question. The question is finished. So we're going to say here 1 over 4 equal, oh my god, excuse me guys, my pen is just embarrassing now. Okay, 1 over 4. Now differentiate this, you're going to say 1 over differentiative of, when you differentiate 2 theta, you get 2. Write your 2 behind. And then when you integrate cos 2 theta, you get sine theta, sine 2 theta. And then with plus, this is going to give you theta. So the question is finished, but from the question, they did not give in terms of theta. They gave in terms of x. So first and foremost, I have to go back to u, and then after u, and then I have to go back to x. Now we go. So then I can simply write here, I can just say equal, let me use another pen. This equal to 1 over 4, 1 over 2, sine of 2 theta. What is sine of 2 theta? So we come here, look. Sine of 2 theta meaning is 2 sine theta cos theta from double angle. Sine of 2 theta double angle sine 2 sine theta cos theta and then plus our theta. See, but what is sine of theta? Sine of theta we know, okay? But a cos of theta we can get from here, cos of theta. There's a lot of ways you can do to get cos of theta. Look, how? So sine of theta we know equal to u. I can substitute, but what about cos of theta? It's easy. Look, if you have a triangle, let's say, okay, space, okay. You just make a space here, okay. If you have a triangle like here, I think you can see here. Okay? This sine equal to, let's say over 1. This will be opposite. What is the opposite? U. And this will be hypotenuse equal to 1. So this is adjacent, which is going to be 1 square minus u square. And what is the angle? Our angle equal to theta. So if you want to get cos, is easy because I'll say my cos angle equal adjacent over hypotenuse 1. So it's going to say the same thing because anything divided by 1 is that something. So cos of theta we know 1 minus u square. Okay, so I know my cos of theta, no sine of theta. And theta itself is sine inverse of u. So then I can simply say, so this is very, very crucial, this one here. So I can just simply say, I'm going to have to, okay, so I can just simply say, this is going to be 1 over 8, 1 over, or I can just leave 1 over 4, 1 over 8, whatever you prefer, okay. 1 over 8, okay, okay, this and this cancel, so just 1 over 4. 1 over 4, and then sine theta, what is sine of theta? U. Times, this one here is square root of 1 minus u square, which we had it here. Square root of 4 to 1 minus u square, plus sine theta equal to sine inverse of u. Inverse of u. And then, now, still the question is not done because from the question they did not give in term of u. They give us in term of x, so I can replace, whatever there's a u, I replace with the x squared. So here is going to be x squared, so this is going to become 1 over 4. And another thing is, look, I forgot, because when you multiply 1 over 4, this must be over 4. So this must be over 4 here. Must be over 4. So it's going to be 1 over 4, 1 over 4, u. What is u? U equal to x squared. So I'm going to say x squared, 1 minus u equal to x squared, and the plus sine inverse of x squared over 4. Sine inverse of x squared over 4. Everything over 4 because it's like a 1 over 4. Or if you don't want to do that, you can just say, you can write here prime. And then you can plus your constant. And that's the end of the equation. So, look, it's very, very interesting question. It's easy question. All you need to do, or what you need to remember is Trig integration of substitution. For example, so if you have a squared minus x squared, then you know this is substitution of sine. How you do that? You say x equal to this number a sine of angle. But that's why I have to look it here. When I change it here, this is a is like a square of number. Even if it could be, let's say 4. So for 4, I would say u, for example here, I'll say u equal to 4 squared, right? No, let's say 4. 4 means 2 squared. So this is like 2 squared. So then here, I could have said u equal to 2 sine of angle. So this is for sine. Okay, what about for tan? For tan, always plus. Either start with the x squared or a squared, doesn't matter because when you say 1 plus 2 and 2 plus 1 is almost the same thing, so it doesn't matter. So for tan, what you do is, okay, x equal to a tan of angle. So you need to remember those things. You see what I'm saying? So you need to know when it's plus tan, okay, what happens if you start with a u or you start with the x? For example, if you, let's say, we say x squared minus 16. So 16 means 4 squared. So you have to look this format. So this is sec. If you start with the variable minus number square, is a sec. So what we're going to do, let's say 64. So 64 means it's 8 squared. 8 squared. So I'm going to say x equal to 8 sec of angle, and then you continue. Then you derivate, you do your question. So this is how you solve this question. It's easy actually. See, all you need to do, like I say, remember your Trig substitution. Those like if it's variable square minus number minus variable. So just easy like this. If you face time in this program, make sure you come subscribe, share this with a lot of people. Visit my website. You know, I have a lot of stuff on my website. You can purchase various products. You know, for women, I have a cosmetic, I have a underwear, bra, different sizes there. You know, the stuff has been made from overseas, some of them locally, you know, from Africa. So you have a variety of different type of stuff, okay? And for the brother too, I don't forget about you. I have a fitted cap, you know, shirts, hoods, yeah. So you got a lot of variety of things on my website. Tracksuit, but very soon I'm gonna come with the sneakers, okay? You know, quality. This stuff is quality, man. Like I say, some of them has been made from overseas, you know, from one of the biggest manufacturers. See, so support your boy. Some of them is made local, most of them. See, because I'm one of the biggest, you know, I'm believing in support local and make it take it to the globe. This is why I started this initiative. Why another thing, also have a program that I give back to the community, feeding the homeless, feeding people. So I have like a food program. You can check my video, you see, okay? Thanks a lot for your time. Subscribe and share this with a lot of people. Peace. I'll see you soon. You know I lie, that's why I do all this stuff from my heart, okay? Peace. I'll see you soon.